You have $1,000 sitting in your account. You could spend it on things that disappear, or you could use it to test an idea that might eventually become a real business. What could you actually build with $1,000? Imagine your budget transforming into inventory, equipment, advertising, and packaging. The goal isn't to turn $1,000 into millions overnight. The goal is to turn limited capital into a repeatable business model. Let's explore several business models you can start with $1,000. Many first-time entrepreneurs make a big mistake. They spend their entire budget before proving anyone wants their product. For example, someone wants to start a custom gift business. Instead of buying $700 in inventory, they should first research potential customers. Create sample designs. Show prototypes. Collect feedback. Test demand on social media. Take small pre-orders. Determine which products people want. Validate first. Spend second. The first goal isn't a huge company. It's finding evidence that someone will pay. Let's start with a service business model. Services are accessible with limited starting capital. You don't need large inventory. Examples include video editing, social media management, and tutoring. Imagine a beginner has $1,000 and knows basic video editing. They allocate funds for software, branding, and customer acquisition while reserving most money as a cushion. First, customers offer revenue and insights about what the market wants. Next, consider the buy, improve, sell model. This means purchasing underpriced items, improving them, and reselling for a profit. Think of second-hand furniture. Someone identifies cheap pieces needing minor repairs. This business strategy isn't just buy right pointing arrow sell. It's find right pointing arrow improve right pointing arrow present right pointing arrow sell right pointing arrow reinvest. Success comes from identifying how to add value. Remember the risks like unsold inventory and changes in demand. Now, let's explore a simple digital product model. Digital products have low reproduction costs. Examples range from budget templates to educational guides. Imagine a person creates a budgeting toolkit. They use part of their budget for research and testing, reserving some cash for customer acquisition. A digital product must solve a real problem that people want to pay to solve. Switching to local businesses, many strong models address ordinary problems. Consider services like car detailing or moving assistance. Picture a person noticing local businesses need social media content. They offer a simple monthly package, professional photos plus social media content. One customer can provide recurring revenue. Reliability, communication, and customer service drive repeat business. How might you allocate the $1,000? Consider $200 for testing ideas, research, samples, and initial materials. $200 for basic tools, only what's needed to provide your service. $200 for customer acquisition, test marketing strategies. $100 for branding, professional identity and presentation. $300 as a cash reserve, for unexpected expenses or opportunities. Don't confuse spending money with building value. What happens after your first sales? You enter the reinvestment flywheel. Think of this cycle. Capital right pointing arrow product. Service right pointing arrow customer right pointing arrow revenue right pointing arrow profit right pointing arrow reinvestment. Instead of spending profits on luxuries, reinvest in better equipment or improved advertising. Know the difference between revenue and profit. A business making $5,000 in sales doesn't have $5,000 to spend. Now, let's discuss potential risks. Risk number 1. Buying too much inventory. Unsold products can trap capital. Risk number 2. Overspending on branding. A beautiful logo won't save a business without demand. Risk number 3. Investing in ads without testing. Money can vanish if the offer doesn't work. Risk number 4. Ignoring expenses. Costs like shipping or platform fees can eat margins. Risk number 5. Complicating the business. A complex setup can consume capital before proving demand. Protect your downside while chasing upside. If you had $1,000 today, what problem could you solve with it? The best business idea doesn't need a huge building or massive team. It begins with a problem, a customer, a useful solution, a way to deliver it profitably. Your first $1,000 doesn't have to make you rich. It should teach you how money moves through a business. Once you learn to turn capital into value and customers into revenue, you're not just spending money, you're learning to build. Start small. Test intelligently. Protect your capital. Reinvest what works. Subscribe to Finance Flow for more practical breakdowns of business, money, investing, and wealth building. With that foundational understanding, let's dive deeper into the specifics of the service business model. Suppose you decided to start a social media management service. Your first tasks would involve creating a portfolio. Start by offering your services for free to local businesses in exchange for testimonials and case studies. Target businesses that lack a strong online presence and demonstrate how you can elevate their brand visibility. Your next step would be to build your brand identity, which includes creating a professional logo and a user-friendly website to showcase your services. As you gather testimonials from your initial clients, use them strategically in your marketing materials to build trust. Consider setting up social media profiles showcasing your work, as these platforms will serve as both a portfolio and a means to engage potential clients. To effectively attract clients, you should also implement a referral program. Encourage your initial customers to recommend you to their peers, offering them a discount on future services for each new client they bring in. This strategy not only fosters loyalty but also expands your reach within the community. Continuously update your skills to stay ahead of trends in social media, ensuring your services remain relevant and in demand. Additionally, consider creating informative content that showcases your expertise, such as blogs or videos on social media strategies and tips, which can enhance your credibility and draw in more business. Additionally, consider establishing a clear pricing structure that outlines the value of your services and makes it easy for potential clients to understand what they are paying for. Transparency in pricing builds trust with your clients, and it's essential to communicate what each package entails, from basic posts to comprehensive strategy consultations. As you refine these packages, also remain adaptable. Staying receptive to client feedback allows you to fine-tune your offerings based on what they truly need. This responsiveness positions your business not only as a service provider but as a partner invested in their success. By prioritizing client relationships and continuously demonstrating your value, you create a sustainable foundation for future growth and opportunities within your niche. Aiming for a sustainable business means understanding your market. Take the time to identify your target audience's demographics, preferences, and pain points. Conduct surveys or informal interviews to gather insights directly from potential clients. Use this feedback to adapt your services and marketing strategies accordingly. Engaging with your audience online through social media, forums, or local events can also help refine your approach. Encourage clients to share their experiences with your services, creating a cycle of positive word of mouth that can snowball into larger clientele. Set up initial meetings to discuss their needs, giving you an opportunity to position yourself as a trusted advisor rather than just another service provider. As you refine your strategies based on this feedback loop, direct engagement will emphasize your commitment to their success, potentially increasing your revenue. As you continue to grow your social media management business, consider diversifying your offerings. Beyond managing posts and engagement, think about adding services like analytics reporting or social media audits. These additional features can provide more value and encourage clients to invest in higher-tier packages. By demonstrating a comprehensive understanding of social media trends and metrics, you not only enhance your service but also establish yourself as an authority in the field. This diversification allows existing clients to feel more satisfied and new clients to see the potential for improved results. Ultimately, a diverse range of services can lead to stronger client retention and increased profitability. With your social media management service gaining traction, it's time to focus on scaling your efforts. One effective way to do this is by leveraging automation tools that can help streamline your workflows. Tools for scheduling posts, automating engagement responses, and managing analytics will not only save you time but also allow you to take on more clients without sacrificing quality. Additionally, consider creating templates for common tasks, which can enhance your efficiency and maintain consistency across your client's branding. As your client load increases, it may be prudent to look into hiring freelance assistants who can handle some of the routine tasks. This delegation will enable you to concentrate on strategy development, client relationships, and overall business growth. By investing in tools and resources that enhance your capacity, you contribute to building a more resilient business model capable of thriving in a competitive landscape. As your business evolves, tracking your financials becomes vital to understand your profit margins and cash flow. Set up a simple accounting system to log all income and expenses meticulously, allowing you to see where your money goes and to identify areas for improvement. Regularly reviewing these financial reports can help you make informed decisions about reinvesting profits back into your business. One effective strategy is using budgeting tools or apps to keep your finances organized, ensuring you never lose sight of your financial health. Being proactive in managing your finances will facilitate growth and pave the way for exploring new business opportunities as they arise. Your ability to maintain transparency and control over your financial landscape is key to your long-term success. To ensure sustainable growth, it's crucial to measure the effectiveness of your strategies continuously. Set specific goals, such as increasing client engagement or expanding your services by a certain percentage, and monitor your progress regularly. Use analytics tools to gather data on customer interactions and feedback, which will help you refine your approach and make data-driven decisions. This ongoing evaluation not only enhances your service offerings but also solidifies your reputation as a competent social media manager. With this understanding of how to build a service business from a small investment, you are now prepared to turn your $1,000 into a learning experience that lays the groundwork for future success. Embrace the entrepreneurial journey with curiosity, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous improvement.